So hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. This is Joey Monte Falcon, and today we are going to talk what is information technology. So many people, information technology is which is IT is basically with the guys and girls you call when you need to help the computer issue. But while that view of information technology isn't totally wrong, is drastically understate the scope of this critical career field. So for now, so what is information technology and what does it encompass? So the most basic information technology definition is that the application of technology to solve businesses or organizational problems on a broad scale. No matter to the role, a member of an IT department works with others solve technology problems, both big and small. So in information technology, there are three primary pillars of responsibility for an IT department. So first, IT governance. This refers to a combination of policies and the process that ensure IT systems are effectively run and in alignment with the organization needs. And the second one is IT operation. So in IT operations, this is the call or category for the daily works of the IT department. So this includes providing technology support, network maintenance, security, testing, and device management duty. So the third one is the hardware and infrastructure. This focus area refers to all the physical components of IT infrastructure. The pillar of the IT includes the setup and the maintenance of equipment like routers, servers, phone systems, and individuals' devices like laptops. So guys, so let's talk why is information technology is important. So simple. So information technology is very important to us today because the work of most organizations would slow to crawl without functioning IT system. So you'd be hard pressed to find a business that doesn't at least partially rely on computer and the networks that connects them. Maintaining a standard level of service, security, and connectivity is a huge task, but it's not the only priority or potential challenge of their plates. So more and more companies want to implement more intuitive and sophisticated solutions. So information technology can provide the edge of company needs. So to outsmart, outspace, and outdeliver competitors. So that's all. So that's why is computer technology is important. So let's take a look for the needs the current and future IT specialists will be working on. So first is the data overload. So data overload, businesses need to process huge amount of data. So this requires large amount of processing power, sophisticated software, and human analytical skills. So the second one is the mobile wireless usage. So more employers are offering remote work options that requires smartphones, tablets, and laptop with wireless hotspots and remoting ability. So the next one is the cloud service. So most businesses no longer operate their own server farms to store massive amounts of data. Many businesses now work with cloud service, third-party hosting platforms, and maintain that data. The last one is the bandwidth for video hosting. So video conferencing solutions have become more and more popular. So more network bandwidth needed to support them sufficiently. So now let's talk about what is the difference between hardware versus software. So first, hardware and versus software. So you know that working with hardware and software is a large part of an IT department works. But what counts as hardware and what's software? So let's break down this important distinction. So first, hardware. Hardware includes all the physical parts of computer system. This includes hardware installed inside the computer like the motherboard, central processing unit, and the hard drive. Hardware is also described the components that can be connected to the outside of the computer like keyboard, mouse, and printer. Keep in mind that some tablets and smaller laptops integrate items like keyboard and mouse within the device. Basically, hardware is any part, component, or device that are related to computers and their network that you can physically touch and manipulate. So unlike hardware, software is not something you can physically change. Software encompasses all the data, application, and programs stored electronically, like operating system or video editing tool. So, how does this distinction apply to an IT career? So, nearly every IT job or information technology job requires a blend of hardware and software based. Some IT information workers we spend more um, time working with configuring hardware components. So, but those components are also governed by software. Additionally, information professionals are responsible for employing and setting up software application of users. So, what are the information technology career opportunities? So, these are the career opportunities as an IT. So first, the computer support specialist. So the computer support specialist is work on the front lines, troubleshooting any technology issues, including software issues, computer crashes, and hardware trouble. This specialist may also assist senior level of information technology members with a larger scale network issues. The second one is network system administrators, focuses on the big pictures of network system, security, and performance. The third one is the computer system analyst, work behind the scenes to marry information technology with the smart business solutions. So this usually specialize in the particular industry while working on technology firm and working directly in an industry. So like finance or government. So the last one is the information security analyst, are responsible for all the security of an organization. Computer networks, conducting tests, and developing company-wide best security practice. So the last one is what are the characteristics our employer looking for IT in candidates. So the candidates who are best suited for IT works are those who have strong communication skills, from flexing executive development with sophisticated technological solutions to trouble hosting and network issues. Those information technologies need to have level of empathy that allows them to see exactly what our client or coworker is dealing with, a calmly help with achieve their goal or solve problem. So many breaking down a large problem and an ended goal into a multiple steps so that the stakeholders can be see directly what is well take or accomplish it. So taking time to define the explain what's needed can help in IT department better manage the stakeholders to expectations and minimize the department's hours in the best way possible. So so I think this is all about the information technology for my vlog. So I hope you learn more and thank you for watching. God bless.